Quality leather begins with healthy animals and responsible sourcing.
Keep them moving straight. Don't let them turn around. I got the gate. Push the last one up. Back it up to the line. Keep it straight. All right, watch my passenger side. You're clear. Keep coming.
Is inspected again upon arrival to ensure standards are met. Each hide is inspected and graded because natural leather is never perfectly uniform.
Every leather jacket begins as a raw hide, carefully stored to preserve its quality.
Chemical treatment removes hair and prepares the hide for tanning.
This step opens the hide's fibers so tanning agents can penetrate evenly.
Only leather that meets strict standards moves forward to drying.
Hanging allows leather to dry evenly while maintaining flexibility.
Drying leather too fast can cause damage, so conditions are carefully controlled.
Conditioning ensures the leather remains soft and workable.
Leather must be dry, but still flexible enough to shape into a jacket.
That's perfectly clean. Go ahead and send it to coloring.
Once approved, the leather is ready to become a jacket.
Polishing softens the surface while preserving the leather's natural character.
This batch is cleared. Send it to the cutting floor. Yes, manager, right away.
Labeling keeps thousands of jacket parts organized and traceable. Labeling keeps thousands of jacket parts organized and traceable.
Some sections are cut by hand to respect the leather's natural character. Once organized, the pieces move on to stitching.
Clean, precise cuts are essential for strong seams. The lining adds comfort and helps the jacket keep its shape.
Extra reinforcement ensures the jacket lasts for years. Extra reinforcement ensures the jacket lasts for years. pressed hardware must be secure without weakening the leather. With assembly complete, the jackets move on to final shaping. With assembly complete, the jackets move on to final shaping.
Conditioning keeps the leather soft and prevents drying over time.
Embossing adds identity without distracting from the leather.
Steam softens the leather so it can be shaped without stress.
Leather is tested to perform in both dry and humid conditions.
A final look ensures nothing is missed before inspection.